Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with another My Creative Times design team project, and I am just going to jump right in. So today I am using the Bear Valentine ephemera, Blooming Days ephemera, round oval dies, very special delivery sentiment and dies. Actually, I didn't use the die, but I used the sentiments. Rectangle frame dies. And then the paper that I am using today is Pastel Party 2026. And here goes this pretty little card that I made. I love a card with a bunch of white behind it, and so this is what I created. And I thought that turned out so cute. This is that Bear Valentine ephemera, so I just used that little banner and stamped the sentiment right across that. And then there goes the watering can. And then the oval circle dies. I used those. And I layered that up twice just to get a little space in between there. I thought it added a little extra detail. And I did pop up this rectangle die frame layer to add a little dimension on there. And then I also used it in the inside. But I thought that turned out really pretty. Anything that's out of stock will be back in stock shortly. And I will leave My Creative Times store link down below, as well as my design team sisters. If you'd like to use my code, it is MOE for 10% off your total purchase, 15% off on the release day. And that's about all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.